Hey guys, it's your girl Clarissa, and welcome to my channel, Clarissa with Love. Today it's going to be kind of like a vlog slash unboxing or unpackaging. Yesterday me and my husband went on a day date because I don't have school and he doesn't work in the morning, so we decided to go to breakfast, and that was fun. Here's some clips from that.
Just making the cameras on.
The what?
Camera.
No, I'm not taking pictures.
No. I'm taking it for you. Showing your nose hair.
No.
Your nose outside. And when you're done.
He's funny. He's like, why are you recording me? Like, you got the camera in my face. He's silly. But we had a good time, and that was fun. And then back in I saw some of the little things that I got from a website that I ordered from had gotten here, and it's this little bitty thing. I'm about to open it. I don't know what's in here. Let's see. It's tightly sealed. Okay, cool. So it is my earrings that I got. The way it seemed like it was supposed to go like this. So that's how it looks. It looks nice with my earrings. Not exactly what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. But, you know. But, I mean, it's still cute. And yeah, that's it. Comment below how you like these. If you like them, if you want to know where I got them, I can let you know where I got them. If you like them, if you don't like them, comment below. Let me know. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye.